people always say marriage is hard work, but I do trust that we are ready for the responsibility and that we will be able to work through whatever life throws at us as we depend on God and depend on the community that's around us.
You may now kiss the bride.
With great honor, I greet you today for the first time on behalf of my wife and I. This is a dream come true for both of us. We struggled through the last 5 years of medical school together, supporting each other. We finished exams 11 days ago. We got our results last week, Tuesday. We graduated last week, graduated last week, Wednesday, and we're getting married on Sunday. And that is, trust me, that's a dream. And, I definitely want to thank God for just His leading as we've both pursued God and His leading for our lives.